Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel where we blend taste with health. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you won't miss any of our delicious health-boosting recipes. Today, we're whipping up a refreshing peach blueberry banana smoothie that's not just mouth-watering, but also a fantastic choice for anyone looking to shed a few extra pounds. So let's get blending. Smoothies are an excellent way to pack in your daily nutrients. They're perfect for breakfast, a quick snack, or even a meal replacement. Plus, they're a brilliant way to help manage weight, thanks to their fiber-rich ingredients that keep you full and satisfied without overloading on calories. For this smoothie, you'll need 1 ripe banana, 1 cup frozen peaches, 1/2 cup of blueberries, 1 cup of almond milk, a handful of spinach, optional for that extra kick of greens, ice cubes if you prefer your smoothies chilled. Let's start by adding our banana, peaches, and blueberries into the blender. These fruits are not only bursting with flavors, but are also packed with vitamins, antioxidants, and fibers that support weight loss by helping you feel full longer. Now pour in the almond milk for that creamy texture and toss in the spinach if you're using it. Lastly, add the ice cubes. Blend it until smooth. It's important to have a good blender that can handle the frozen fruit and ice to ensure your smoothie is silky and not chunky. Look at that color. This smoothie isn't just pretty, it's also a powerhouse of nutrients. Drinking smoothies like this can help improve your digestion, boost your daily fruit and vegetable intake, and yes, aid in your weight loss journey. Now, if you're serious about using smoothies as a tool for weight loss, you might want to check out the Smoothie Diet 21-Day Rapid Weight Loss Program. It's designed to maximize the health benefits of smoothies, to cut down on calories, yet retain the essential nutrients your body needs. This program can guide you on how to effectively replace some of your meals with smoothies in a way that's both sustainable and beneficial for losing weight. You can find the link to the program right in the description below. Thanks for watching, folks. Try this recipe at home and let us know how you like it by leaving a comment down below. Don't forget to like this video and share it with your friends. Happy blending and see you in the next video.